Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 15 terminal commands that every macOS user should know. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and have access to the terminal command prompt, which is built into the Mac computer. Wait, can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Now search for the terminal command prompt. Enter to open up the terminal. Increase the size of the terminal window. We can also increase the text size. So what I've done as part of this video, I have compiled a list within TextEdit that will help us to see what command is being used at what time. So the first one will be ls, which is to list all the contents in the current directory. If I were to, let's just say now move on to terminal command number 2, which is change directory. This means that we have changed the directory and we are back in the home directory within the terminal command prompt. Let's now move on to terminal command number 3, which is pwd, which is short for print working directory. We can now see that we are in users/computer science videos. If I were to, let's just say now change directory and move into the desktop, CD desktop, enter ls, we can now see that we are currently in the desktop directory. And we've only used 3 terminal commands at this moment in time. List, change directory, print working directory. I want to now open that Facebook folder on the desktop. How do I do that? Open Facebook. That will open up the Finder window with the Facebook folder that contains all these videos that are being uploaded to my Facebook Creator Studio. Let's now close the Finder window. So that is terminal command number 4. Let's now change directory again. ls. Back to the home directory. We now want to go back into the desktop. CD desktop. ls. Now I want to create a quick text file. The command to do that is touch file.txt, and the file itself has been created. ls, and there we have it, file.txt. Let's now open that file, and that should now open up on screen, file.txt. Let's now quit that TextEdit file. If I want to delete that file that was created, command number 6, rm, file.txt, and the file itself has now been completely removed from the system. Let's ls again. We can now see that file.txt no longer exists at this moment in time. Let's move on to the copy command, which is number 7. Before we do that, let's just recreate that file again. touch file.txt. We want to copy cp file.txt, and now we can choose the directory to move that file in. Tilde slash documents, enter, and file.txt has now moved to where? To documents. Let's now change directory to documents, list all the contents within documents, and there we have it. File.txt is in the documents folder. If I were to go back to the desktop, CD, desktop, ls, we still have file.txt on the desktop as we only copied. If we want to move the file itself and not copy, there's also a command for that. However, let's now completely remove file.txt from documents, CD documents, ls, and now rm file.txt to remove file.txt, ls, file.txt has been completely removed, CD. Let's now navigate back to desktop, ls, and now for us to move file.txt without copying it, the command is mv file.txt tilde documents, enter, ls. From the desktop, file.txt has been completely removed. Let's go CD, documents, ls, and there we have it. That has been migrated to documents. Let's now move on to command number 9. CD ls, CD desktop, ls. I want to now create a quick directory. Make directory. Let's call this folder ls, and then we have the folder that's called folder now created on the desktop. If we want to remove directory, that's command number 10. Remove directory, folder, enter, ls. The folder has been completely removed, so that's command number 10. If I want to now remove all the content on screen to clear the screen, the command is clear, CD, change directory. Let's move on to command number 12. If I want to look at the last 500 commands that were typed into the terminal command prompt, there is a command for that. History, and there we go. Correction, the last 549 terminal commands on screen. Let's clear the screen, change directory. Let's move on to command number 13, which is PS, to display the current process status. And that is the current process status on screen. Let's now move on to terminal command number 14, which is top, to display real-time process information. And there we have it. We have everything currently working on the Mac computer, whether it's the kernel, terminal, screen flow, the fans, Control Z to kill the process. The last command is exit. We can now quit terminal. Do you want to terminate running process in this window? That's correct. Let's now quit text edit. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.